usually I don't think it's important for you to be like your character in real life. But interestingly, I related a lot to Kyra's character. Not because that's not why I chose the part. I chose the part. I chose the film because of the uniqueness of the story and the tone of the film. But interestingly, I also related to her a lot. Like, she's very impulsive. You know, she likes eating soya chakli and all these things that I also really enjoy. She loves her friends. She's a way better friend than she is a girlfriend. And I've always said that. I think I'm a way better friend. She's very, very passionate about her work, and so am I. So these little things. I had our DOP Lakshman sir was very helpful, of course, because he's a lovely DOP. Firstly, let me say so. And yeah, I had to be very with it because as Kyra, she's very well versed with her job. She's young, but she knows what she's doing. She's very confident. So yeah, I was behind the camera, in front of the camera, on the easy rig and all. I learned physical techniques as opposed to really getting into learning about the camera. If I start learning, it'll take a really long time because you really learn with experience, or you learn, you study and you learn. I didn't have that much time, but I did learn certain things, hand movements, gestures, the way you talk to people, the way you give commands, what you talk about, light, things like that. But I would literally do before the shot saying, Lakshman sir, what would you say? Give me one line, give me this thing. And you have a DOP on set. Why wouldn't you make most use of that? I think you can, depends what you make of it. I don't think it's a bad thing. I think we're just kind of paying homage or just kind of recreating it. Not really to better it, but just to, when a song really resembles the ethos and what you're really trying to say, I think it makes more sense to recreate it and try to bring it back, but obviously in a different style. Number one, I was shocked. I was very surprised. Not because I didn't think this is his kind of film. I just was so glad that he made a move like this. It's a very cool move to make, and I feel once you see the film, you'll know what I'm talking about. No, no, no. I didn't make sure anything. In fact, it was something that just kind of happened by chance. So you can call it luck, or you can call it the way things panned out. But I didn't make sure. I just choose films like that, and then they happen to release in that order. The original cast of the film is the original cast of the film. I really hope not. I know it's a tough time right now, but I hope things do settle down. And I believed even then that it will take some time for things to settle down. And if not, then it's online booking, book my show, book it online. I really want to do a Bhatt movie as well, do a Vishesh film, and hopefully it'll happen soon. But right now, at this point, there's nothing concrete that I can really talk about. But yeah, there are talks. Next year, I am doing Dragon and other things again that I can't really talk about right now.